Okay, welcome to a new series of how-to videos for BattleBit Remastered. Today, first video, how to build. Building is so important and vital to survival in BattleBit. If there's no cover, running, shooting or laying down in the open will get you killed. So here's a quick guide on how to stop that, covering the types of cover and how to use it in different situations. The first thing to building is knowing how to do it. It's super simple. All you do is press and hold the middle mouse button, bringing up the four options. You got to click the one in the top left, that's the ground deployables, and you can have 5 options of blocks to build in. You've got the HESCO barrier, the centerpiece to all big builds, the barrier, which is a fast low wall, the sandbag or the solid sandbag, which is a good height wall, good to crouch behind. You've got the second sandbag, or the sandbag with holes, the same as the sandbag but it's got holes to shoot through, really helpful for a couple of situations. The HESCO barrier or the HESCO tool, a thinner version of the other HESCO block, great for cover from tall buildings. Situations where you use cover in BattleBit. There's 3 main situations for building cover: setting up a base, quick cover and roadblocks. Let's start with setting up a base. To hold a position you need effective cover, and these can be split into 2 categories, either inside buildings or outside buildings. When you're inside a building, super simple, just place down a solid sandbag to create a shooting position enemies wouldn't expect. A simple sandbag in a corridor is a great place to hold. The added bonus is that inside, enemies are only be coming from one direction, so you don't have to worry about behind you and you can just focus on the front and they won't be able to get through. So sit there and rack up the kills. When outside, certain positions are going to be better than others, e.g. tops of hills and the middle of fields. Some places and next to buildings will also be really good, but you can set up a base almost anywhere. I tend to use HESCO blocks and solid sandbags in a square. This allows you to shoot in any direction and you're also protected from open fire from anywhere. The bigger the base you build, the more of your team and squad will join you, making that base stronger and then harder to push from the enemy. I would suggest to use the map often to check where the action is headed and which direction to look in. The next situation is quick cover. Quick cover is used for pushing or retreating. To push a position, cover is vital. To quickly cover ground, I'd use the HESCO block when in the open, as it's faster build and it gives you a position to shoot from and bandage. And you can run from one place into an open location, drop a HESCO block, and you're set to sit there for a moment, heal up, shoot, and go again. Use this strategy to push up each time. For a slower push where it's a more fortified location, I'd use 2 solid sandbags in an arrow shape. This gives you a temporary spot. This again gives you a temporary spot to shoot and heal from. Teammates will join you in this push and make it easy for you to gain ground, and when you're ready, jump over the wall and rinse and repeat until you're at the next point. I would be careful though, as a good enemy grenade will be bursting you and could just slow down that push. However, with teammates nearby, they'll get you back up and you can continue on your way. Roadblocks. To secure areas of the map from vehicles and players, use a roadblock. The effective and fast roadblock is 3 HESCO blocks in an offset line. This not only stops vehicles but provides a good position for troops to gain cover, and so they can shoot from and push out from this location. Add HESCO blocks in a line to really wall off a location. To make this more secure from the defending side, add in solid sandbag walls that are partly built to act like stairs. This makes it almost impossible for any player to push from the front and an easy point for you to hold and gain kills from. So that about covers the basics of how to build in BattleBit Remastered. I hope this helps. As the series goes on, the videos will get more and more advanced with strategies and tips for BattleBit Remastered. So thanks for watching and have a great day.